Welcome to Dave's Care Garage. Today, we're gonna black out the hood. Yeah, I know. There's all kinds of junk on the hood. Stand by. So I apologize for not filming earlier, but I'm kind of a tinkerer. I start tinkering, and next thing you know, I'm on a full-blown project. So I do want to black out the hood. But I started this morning by pulling these treads off and cleaning them up, and now they're treated, so they're gonna get good. And I took all the chrome off here, and it's gonna be black now. I got that all ready to go. But I got a couple things I gotta do. These clips here, if you're gonna do this, go ahead online and order new clips. I'll show you where to get them, so that you don't wind up like I am using old clips. But they'll do for now. It's all gonna come off when we repaint the truck anyway. These clips are a little tricky. So they actually pull straight out, but they got like a little clip on there, and they're really hard to get out. And of course I got most of them wound up coming off, and I gotta put them in. And this is the plastic thing. So we'll see if I can't get them in here now so they can go in the hood. So I got these clips in hot water. It's cooled down some now. And I want to be able to bend them. Now, it seems like they'll bend a little bit now. The idea is, you gotta put it, make sure I get it in right. I was about to put it in backwards. It's here, meanwhile it's cooling. I'm gonna bend it. Let me get another one. This ain't working. Yep. So the question is, can we slide them? Yeah, they're a little dense. Don't let them slide. Let's see. Yeah, really don't let them slide. Try to do this without bending my piece of metal up here. Seem to be all right here. So what I'm doing is these little suckers here, there's a dent there and dent. Kind of bend up just a little bit. Same thing on this side. I'm trying to do it without bending the frickin' piece. That's one. And that's two. I'm probably gonna have to, yeah, it looks like I'm making this pretty nasty. I should have put these in before I painted it. But we'll see. Now the big question is, what the hell does it look like on the other side? Is it a mess? It's a mess. Yep. No. All right. I gotta put another paint job on this one. The windshield's got water spots all over it. And you name it. I'm trying to get them off. I got some 000 here, and this should do the trick. And of course my visible glass. Oh, beautiful. Yep. The other thing is, while you got it off, yeah, you want to clean this window underneath of it. The line's marred in there from the molding being on there for years and years and years. So it actually isn't come off, but I get all the dirt off anyway. And I think I'm just shooting this bad, boys. Got these little latches here. Took a screwdriver and lift it all the way up, pull the latch up. It both holds that up and that you get it off. Because I painted these and they're shiny black and they need to be matte black. So we're going to paint them matte black before we put them back on. So I was telling you that I was cleaning all this crap up, so I was going to the Ocean City tomorrow, but I didn't quite get this video done, so I've already been to Ocean City, and I'm going to try to get that video out soon. But I did want to finish this up when I got back, so here it is. Meanwhile, I'll be all over town, okay? So look for old Strappy. I'll be driving old Strappy, and hopefully I see you there. If you notice, I got a new t-shirt. We got these online now. They're available at Spreadshop. Down in the description is the link to Spreadshop, to my store where all my designs are. You can get this one, you can get the standby one, and I got one you'll really like. This one, 11 millimeter. I always know where my 11 millimeter is, huh? So check it out. And by the way, if you like this kind of stuff, you think it's cool and you watch it, do me a favor, hit the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps somebody else to see the channel. It helps YouTube to say, hey, oh, this guy got some likes. We're going to show up to more people. That'd be great. Thanks. Back sides of these have rubber moldings. Yeah, I took this one out because I had to fix it. So now I got to put it in. And it's the long one. And that's going to just go in there. I'm going to spray it with some VLR first. Let's give it a little conditioning. Before I put it back up in there for whoever hell knows how long. There. Like that. Yep, don't break it. I'm trying to break it. All right. Now it goes in a certain way, so you want to take a look. And this lip is going to go towards the top. Just like that. Turn this way, that way it goes towards the top. And this little groove goes in this way. Get up over there and make a mess of everything. All right, let's see. Gotta be a better way to do this. If you can get away without taking that out of there, don't take it out of there. That was a chore. Make sure I didn't beat the heck out of it. I'm putting another coat of paint on it because it don't look good. Start with this one. I'm not taking that out of there. Nope. This is going to go up here. It should go right on these clips. Should anyway. There. And there. Now. Ah, dang it. I'm sure it has to come over a little bit, but there. It will slide. Before I finish this, so I put the little lip, there's a lip right there, into this side here. And I use this little screwdriver. I go like that. Go like that. Like that. Like that. On you, got a deep one here. There's a couple deep spots that you really got to get it in there. And that is now, this should be the last of it. Now that's in there. There's a spot's not. It will be in a minute. It will be in a minute. There we go. Now, falls in like that and it can slide. I don't know which way it slides, but I think it's good where it is. All right, these go over top of these, so let's put this on. Try to line these things up again because now they're going to slide. One's there, that one's there. And I think we're lined up. These little clips here are where these bad boys go into. So, I'll line them up. Then where do they go? Under, over. I think they go under. This one here I have to line up. Oh, this one's right here. Okay, so yeah. I should go in the lip. There's a little hole in the lip. I think this thing is not going to be easy to do. Yeah, there's a little hole in that lip. Ah! There. I think I need to start in the middle. Up, easy. Crazy with it. They evidently go under the lip. Like that one. I swear it doesn't seem right, but I think it is. All right, that piece is in. Now this piece goes over top of it, right here. Makes things a little tricky. Just using that to prop it, not to pry. There we go. Now I can slide that on there like it's supposed to go. Ah, dang it. Hold on. First place it goes is up here. There. Then it goes on here. There. That's in like that. But it goes in here like that. Come on, you get in there. Come on, you get in there. No, you don't wanna. There. And on you. Missed that one. Yep. Ah, got it. Pop this one up in here. Like that. I think I'm going to need to prop this up again. There. Yeah, I don't know about you all, but I'm liking that look. That's what I wanted. Everything else here is black, and then they had that damn chrome around the windshield. Didn't make any sense. Now it's all black. I like it. Now, I know people don't like to paint their fingers, but I don't care. Never know what happened, sort of. All right, these guys I sprayed earlier with trim shine, let them soak all day. Now I'm gonna get the trim shine out again. I ain't going everywhere. Spray them one more time. Like that. I don't really like the shiny, shiny, shiny look. Now wipe it down. I just sprayed it so that it would loosen up that old stuff. Look at that, like new. Love it. So, I don't know if you can see it on camera. See, this was nice and matte, and this one's really shiny. I don't want it really shiny. I want it just like that. Beautiful. So if you want stuff to look shiny like that, you just spray it and let it dry on there. I don't really want it to look shiny because it looks fake. I want it to look natural like it did when it was new. So it almost looked like it was new. Almost. All right, these guys here, they're not really hard to take off, but they're a little tricky. But if you get up underneath with a pair of pliers and you squeeze them here and push up, you'll pop these suckers right out and they'll come right off and nothing to it. There's the pliers I was using this morning to take them off. Now, putting them on is extremely hard, just extremely hard. You know, you have to be a professional, or you can't put them on like that. Now look at that. That looks good. I like it. That one wasn't down. And that one ain't down. There we go. Like I said, you gotta be professional. I'm only half-ass. Make sure you get everything lined up first before you go pounding on things. One of them not lining up there. There you are. No, you're not. Got one. There we go. It's being difficult. Got it. That much as I want to paint the hood. It's starting to rain. Can't paint in the rain. I might do it when I'm down in Ocean City. Don't worry. I'll film it. So, for now, that's going to do it. See ya.